Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech, and today we're taking a look at the DiePlay ANC earbuds. The case is kind of kick-ass. I mean, it's really angular in design and looks kind of like something out of Star Wars. So we're going to be checking this out coming up. But first, hey, we can't make this channel happen without you. So if you could, head down below, give me a thumbs up, maybe hit subscribe while you're down there, throw me a couple comments, let me know what you think, and I'll bring more video reviews to you.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
So the company DiePlay reached out to me to review the DiePlay ANC Pods. Now, they look very similar to AirPods Pro, but they retail at under $50, which is a steal for ANC Pods if they can live up to the AirPods' excellent reputation. Now, you are definitely going to want to stick around to the very end of this video to see the pros and the cons of the DiePlay ANC Pods. But hey, I'm rambling on. Let's unbox these. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the ANC Pods from DiePlay, and the box is pretty sturdy, standard white box. Product picture on the front, check those out. Some descriptions on the back. But hey, we're not here to review the box, are we? Let's see what's inside. All right, so here's everything that the DiePlay ANC Buds comes with. We've got our USB-C charging cable, very nice. Hey, thanks to you too. We've got our instruction manual. I'll be looking this over to see how things work on these earbuds. And we also finally have our case. Man, look at this case. It is really unique. Like it. Opens and closes with a nice snap. And I love the angular design on it. And it is a white matte finish, which doesn't show any fingerprints at all. On the bottom here, we have our USB-C port. And what's nice about these is that they are Qi wireless compatible, so you'll be able to charge these on any of your charging pads. You just lay them down. Let's take a look at the buds themselves. Now, since we have a matte finish, the buds are pretty easy to take out, and I like the oval design on these. This oval padding around the edge, the silicone tips, really conforms to the ear. These are 10mm drivers on these. They're trying to pair to something right now. And it's also that white matte finish. The stems are about the size of the Apple AirPods Pro, but let's sync these up and see if they can compete with the AirPods Pro. Okay, so the pairing happens when you open the case. Once you open the case, they go into pairing mode right away. You're going to see DiePlay ANC Pods on your Bluetooth device, and they work with both Android and iOS. And I'm happy to announce that they do operate independently of one another. So you can operate them independently of each other, put one back in the case, the other one works just fine.
That's pretty cool, I guess.
Charging takes less than an hour and a half from dead for the case, and about the same for the buds themselves. Now, I was able to get about 4 hours of usage out of one charge on these buds, and I was able to charge them 4 separate times in the case. It's about 16 to 20 hours you're supposed to get, and I was using them at 70% volume, which is over that 50% threshold that they usually gauge these things on. Now, this is a pretty standard battery life for ANC Pods that have been released over the past year. Again, I'm also happy to announce that the DiePlay ANC Pods are Qi wireless compatible, which is pretty cool for a budget earbud. Now, the DiePlay ANC Pods also comes with 2 other sets of tips depending on your ear size. And I got to tell you, the fit on these is really nice. They're oval in shape as far as the silicone ear tips go. I like the short stems too because I think the long stems nowadays are a little bit obnoxious. But let's put these in.
That's what she said!
Now, I have them in, and they do have a pretty low profile. And the earbuds themselves are quite comfortable. I'm able to wear these for hours on end with no discomfort. But hey, let's give them the shake test. Whoa! Okay, made myself a little bit dizzy there, but I'm able to shake around quite a bit without any sort of fallout, which again, I really like. Now, there wasn't any IP information on the DiePlay ANC Pods. However, with most ANC Pods, their IPX rating is usually around 4 or 5. You can get sweat on them, but I definitely would not submerge them. Now, as far as the sound goes, I really enjoyed the sound of the DiePlay ANC earpods. I mean, they're 10mm drivers, and they are fitting in a really nice cavity here that actually enhances the bass response. So you're getting a really good bass sound, and you're also getting good treble, and the mids come through loud and clear. It's not too bassy, and I'm a little bit of a bass head. That's my personal preference, but these things can be adjusted in your apps. Again, I'm getting nice bass with zero distortion, and I'm also finding that when I utilize things like YouTube, Netflix on my phone, I'm not getting any sort of latency that I notice. Now, as far as the active noise canceling goes, the active noise canceling is activated by touching each earbud twice. The active noise canceling itself reduces background noise, I would say around 60 to 70%. You're going to put these in, you're not going to be able to hear your dishwasher running in the background or your wash machine. But you will hear higher pitch or higher frequency noises. And you can go to transparency mode and listen to things that are happening around you. So if you go running, you can hear your world around you. Sometimes you don't want surprises when you're out walking or running. And I did find a noticeable difference when I went into active noise cancellation mode. The bass bumped up just a little bit, and you're able to notice a little bit more bass in your music. But again, the sound field was really nice, and I enjoyed the sound of these when they worked properly. Now, from a control standpoint, the touch controls are very responsive. You're able to activate the active noise canceling, you're able to play and pause your music or your source, and you're able to activate your assistant. Now, you're going to need that because I'm sad to announce that these do not have volume control built into the earbuds themselves. Hopefully that'll come out in later models. Now, the DiePlay ANC pods do sport Bluetooth 5.0, and I was able to connect them and walk around the house a little bit, but I did find some disconnections happening and a little bit of sync issues with the earbuds at some point. And I also had an issue when I put the earbuds back into the case. What happened was the earbuds wouldn't disconnect with my phone, so I'd have to go in and manually disconnect them through the Bluetooth settings.
No way!
Now, as far as call quality goes, the DiePlay ANC buds did have decent call quality. There was a little bit of muffling heard on the other end of the line when I called people, but I'm going to give you guys a chance to listen to the microphone quality yourself right here. And you're listening to the microphone quality on the DiePlay ANC pods. Let me know what you think about the sound of my voice and the clarity in the comments down below. Okay, we're back. So my final impressions on the DiePlay ANC pods are the pros. The pros are they sound very good when they're connected. I mean, it's a beautiful, rich sounding earbud. I do love the design of the case. I love the fact that it's wireless charging. I can just plop it down on my wireless charging pad. And I do love the fact that it's USB-C for quick charging. The case was easy to use. It's got a nice magnetic lid on it. And I love the way they shape the ear tips. I mean, they're very comfortable in my ears. But on the con side, there were some connection issues with the earbuds themselves. And there was also a disconnection issue with my iPhone. And I did check it out with another iPhone, and the same thing happened. It would connect, I would put them back in the case, and they wouldn't disconnect. I'm going to shoot an Amazon link down below for the latest pricing on the DiePlay ANC pods, but you should know that in the Amazon link, their description says that it does have volume control. I did confirm with the manufacturer that they do not have volume control. That being said, the DiePlay ANC pods really are promising. They do have a cool design. I love this case. This case fits in my pocket well. It's not very large. It fits in the palm of my hand, and I love the design. I love the matte finish on it. It feels really nice. They're very comfortable. They sound good, and outside of the connection issues, and you know, those are things that can be worked out. I really hope to see more from DiePlay. But I'll be interested to hear what you think. Please head on down below, shoot me some comments, and I will catch you guys later. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.